The generator canopy thickness is 1.8 millimeters. Use high-quality soundproof sponge. The noise is low to 69 decibels at 7 meters. Double doors for easy maintenance and heat radiation in extremely hot weather. Well-known Nanjing Weifu brand fuel pump and injector. 100% Cooper KETE or Senci brand alternator. Ensure the high quality. Since 2016, we introduced semi-automated production lines for testing, assembly, and packing. Each machine tests 15 minutes before packing. 2% durability test and 10% random inspection. The product's quality is more steady. Our generators pass BV test.